Hi, I'm America's Healthy Home expert, Caroline Blazovsky. Did you know that you could be on your way to creating a healthy home by just controlling the contaminants that infiltrate your living space? Mold, dust mites, VOCs, chemicals, pollution, and particulate can all reach high levels in a home, which can lead to an unhealthy living space. You should know what type of contaminants you have. Hire an indoor air quality professional or use a professional test kit to determine what your contaminants are and how they may be affecting you in your home. Then follow these basic tips. Remove shoes before entering a home. This prevents contaminants from being tracked in. Make sure humidity levels stay between 35 and 55%. One way to do this is to use a humidity sensing fan and switch that will automatically exhaust air to the outside when humidity levels get too high. Utilize HEPA filtration or filtration above a MERV 8 wherever possible in the home. Be sure to remove chemical sources. Do not store paint cans, pesticides, gasoline in your home or an attached garage. Always bring in fresh air whenever possible. You can use a home ventilation system or a spot ventilation system somewhere like a bathroom. For more information on how you can create a healthier home and a healthier you, visit Broan-Nutone.com.